welcome back YouTube to Peterson Auto. Again, we'll work on a 96 F250 crew cab short bed. Now, this is going to be a backup camera install. Generic to almost any vehicle. But this head unit here is a double din. As you can see, there's a couple cuts in the dash. I haven't finished all that up yet. Because that's not factory. That being said, I do have a double din in this, so it has a nice big screen. You can do the same thing with a flip up, long as it supports a backup camera. The way to tell is going to be on the back. We'll show you that in a minute. You're looking for a video input or backup camera input. So first thing you got to do to install a backup camera in any vehicle is obviously remove the radio. This isn't held in by much. It's actually kind of wedged in there securely, which works pretty well for how it fits. But sometimes you have clips. Factory Ford units usually have clips. There could be screws. There could be a cover plate with screws. This one's going to be a fairly easy install. Pull out my cables. Now, pull out my trim piece. And when I get this apart, you'll be able to see what I modified to actually get this radio in this dash. I know it looks like crap right now. This trim piece is going to get finished up. There's a little bit of plastic welding I did. You can see my plastic welding video. Still have to do a little bit more sanding and finishing on that. But I wanted to get the radio finally 100% in, and this backup camera is going to be one factor of that. But this trim piece will be probably wrapped in the same stuff as the door panels there. Keep an eye open for a door panel video. I still have one more to do. And I have the process worked out, so, you know, we'll get you a video on that too then at one point. But this radio, like I said, it's just jammed in here. So just pull it out, and there you go. Ain't much to it. When you look back there, you can see there's the bottom of the factory radio opening. There's a place I had to cut the supporting part of the dash out. It's only really there to hold up the factory radio. The new radio rests on top of the heater controls, and the bezel actually finishes things off pretty nicely. So I'm fairly happy with that. Once it's all trimmed out perfectly, it'll be an awesome setup. But for now, you can see what I had to do to get the radio in. On the back, we have tons of different inputs. The yellow one in the middle there. Hi, Sai. How are you?
I got it jumping.
My kid wants to help. His name is Cyrus. So, you know, once he gets a little bit older, maybe we'll make him a video star here on YouTube. But you can see it says, hopefully you can see it says vid on that one on the bottom. That is where we're going to connect our wire to, and we're going to route it to the back of the vehicle. Alright, YouTube, here's the actual camera. It is the Auto Waterproof Camera Lens HD rear view camera with parking sensor. Apparently it has a parking sensor. That's what that little thing was. So, here's what it comes with. There's some screws in there for mounting stuff. These wonderful instructions. Yeah. That's your instructions. And down here it says the system is difficulty in following situation. The system is difficulty in following situation. Also, don't back into slick slopes, slick roundness, or cotton textiles, apparently. Absolutely no idea what any of that means. Don't destroy the sensor wire. Sensor surface should be kept clean. When reversing, speed must be low. Shows you a couple install positions, and then has the wiring. So yeah, that would be just about it. Yeah, horrible instructions. Good job, China, good job. You're on the forefront of instruction technology. Once I untangle this, this little thing here, it emits an audible tone, or inaudible tone, I'm not sure which, uses ultrasonic frequencies, etc., yada yada, which is picked up by that blank part of the backup camera piece to tell you you're close to stuff to make it beep. There's the actual camera lens, and this mounts the camera. Comes with these shims. It's like a 15 and a 30 degree shim, or 3 of them actually, so you can get the angle where you want it. Good thing is there's a long yellow AV cord with a power section, and then a power connector wire, and a bunch of wires off the end of here. So we're going to get this installed, just showing you what's in there. I'm going to get this yellow wire put into the radio. Okay, YouTube, you can see the yellow connector going in. That is the camera in, it's actually labeled. There's this red wire coming off of it. It's just a lead wire built into this setup. Comes over here into the orange wire, which is labeled, you can see it or not, reverse positive. So that's going to be energized when you're in reverse. So at this point, the head unit section's done. I have this yellow audio cable ran the whole way to the back. So that's back there, and we're going to get everything hooked up at the back. Okay, YouTube.
Daddy.
What, Si? You on TV?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, YouTube. Say YouTube. Why are you getting so close to the camera? So that would be Cyrus. Told you we'd make him a celebrity here. So we're on the back of the truck here, behind the tail light. And this is our reverse light socket, so you have 2 wires. You have to find out which one's hot and which one's ground. This being a Ford, the black one is ground. The black one with the stripe is going to be your hot. So we have our hot wires turned in. I also have these auxiliary pod lights back here. So that's what this ordeal here is for.
Daddy?
Yes. You want to help Daddy videotape? Hold the camera. There you go. Now this wire back here, with the red ones in it, is going to be your hot, and the one Cyrus is grabbing here is going to be your ground. So you just tap into those on the backup camera. Go down. You'll have this lead wire coming out of the camera.
Let's see down here.
And you see the connector there, so it's a black and a red. And there you go. Those are the 2 you connect up to power. And there is another one. Comes off the yellow connector, if we can see it here.
Let's see black one.
Here. I need the yellow one, Si. It's under here. Now, that red wire also needs to connect to this red wire for the power, for some reason. Hold on 1 minute, bud. Daddy's almost done. Alright, so we're going to get that red wire connected to this red wire, and we're going to call the wiring done. Okay, YouTube. Here's the remainder of our wires running down to our backup camera. Mounted it to the hitch there. And I did not mount the beeper sensor yet. I may not even mount that. Your backside, good job. You want to show them where the backup camera is that we just put on? Where's that camera?
I not see you.
You want to be cameraman?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we just mounted that backup camera. And now it does work. We'll go inside and show you that it works. Okay, YouTube, as you can see, we have video out the back of the truck there now. So, you have it in any forward gear or neutral. It goes to normal radio mode. And you go ahead and put it in reverse. On comes your backup camera. These are 1, 2, and 3 meter marks, if I recall. I don't know. I just know the red one's really close to something, and the green one's about safe distance behind it. So, you know, that's kind of what I roll with. Cyrus is going to show you all the neat features here. Say hi, Si.
Hi.
Okay, now that he's got his TV time out of the way.
Yellow, blue, one. See.
It's a yellow, a red, and a green.
I count.
You count them?
1 blue.
But
green,
I assume these up
Red.
here have something to do
Red.
with the...
blue, red, blue. Yeah.
He is such a distraction. I assume these up here have something to do with the radio thing, which I didn't hook up there. The backup closeness meter that'll beep for you. I'm not worried about that. So I'm going to go ahead and just use that grid there and call it a day. I may put down a roller and see how accurate it is, but I'm not too concerned with it. I know the red's close enough to be close. So that being said, that's how you install a universal backup camera into any vehicle that has a radio that will accept it. So this is the 96 F250 Crew Cab short bed we did it on today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave a comment or get a hold of me, get in touch with me, and I'll help you out the best I can. Or if you just want to say my kid's cute and he's going to be the world's best auto mechanic, you know, you can go ahead and leave a comment about that too. So, unfortunately, he wanted to be up my butt today, and he is now a YouTube sensation. Thank you for watching. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe to Peterson Auto.
Bye there, Captain.
Say bye.
Bye.